everyone, welcome back to Eat Your Cuppa with me, Nambie. I tried my hands cooking outside today despite the wind, but this is what I came across. This place is teeming with them, and the other day there was one right at my doorstep. So I'm just going to be cooking here where I'm safe, where I don't bother them and they don't bother me. Well, let's get back to our cooking. The other day I brought these really beautiful bunch of green grapes and they ended up being really sour and I couldn't eat them and I didn't have the heart to throw them away. So I was going through a lot of blogs that day and I came across this particular one, the link of which I have given below in the description box. And I came up with the perfect recipe to not throw away these grapes. I'm going to make a traditional Manipuri dessert with a little bit of a twist. I have made this dish before. It's called Khamen Asinba Athumba Tongba. It was made out of roasted tomatoes dipped in sugar syrup, and today I'm going to make it with grapes. To make this dish, the ingredients required are a teaspoon of kalonji seeds or onion seeds, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, lemon peel or lemon zest, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, green grapes, a teaspoon of salt and a glass of water. First things first, let's add the clarified butter and roast the kalonji seeds for about 10 to 15 seconds and allow the ghee to absorb the flavor of the kalonji seeds. The ghee is nicely heated up, let's add the kalonji seeds. It looks about ready, now it's time to add the grapes. Be careful, drop them in slowly. Look at how soft and mushy the grapes have gone, and the color, the brown color that is coming out are the sugar that is caramelizing from the grapes. It looks absolutely stunning. You know that it's ready when the skin is slightly charred and starts peeling off. Looks about ready. Let's take it off the flame. Now it's time for us to make the sugar syrup. To make the sugar syrup, you can make use of the same pan where you roasted the grapes. Let's add some water to the pan. Add some sugar. Let's drop in our lemon peel and lemon juice. And finally the salt. Remember not to overboil your sugar syrup. It should not crystallize. It should not be like honey. It should not fall down as one string. Looks like it's done. Let's take it off the flame. Let's drop in our grapes into the sugar syrup and allow it to soak for a while. Can't wait. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I am safe and I can see that the snakes are safe as well. They are still in the process of mating. I'm going to sit here and enjoy my view having the Anggur Asinba Athumba Tongba. I hope I got that right. And if you haven't subscribed to my video yet, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. It's absolutely delicious.